Chapter 1 Computer Fundamentals. Hello, Priyam. What are you reading? I am trying to read this text. I am not getting. This is Spanish language. You have to translate it with the help of a translator. Translator. Yes, translator. Dear, do you know to communicate with the computers, we need some special languages. Okay, D. The word computer is taken from the word compute, which means to calculate. Computer is an electronic machine that works according to our need. Nowadays, we use computers at many places as they are fast, accurate, and have a very high memory. A computer is a smart machine that helps us to do various things, such as watch cartoons and movies, type letters, draw and color pictures, play songs and music, solve sums. कंप्यूटर शब्द अंग्रेजी शब्द कंप्यूट से लिया गया है, जिसका अर्थ होता है गणना करना। कंप्यूटर एक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मशीन है जो हमारी आवश्यकता के अनुसार काम करता है। आजकल कंप्यूटर का उपयोग बहुत सारे स्थानों पर किया जाता है क्योंकि ये तेज, सटीक और उच्च मेमोरी वाला होता है। कंप्यूटर एक स्मार्ट मशीन है जो हमें निम्नलिखित कार्यों में मदद करता है: कार्टून और फिल्में देखना, पत्र टाइप करना, चित्र बनाना और रंग भरना, गाने और संगीत चलाना, गणनाएं करना। Nowadays, computers are used everywhere. Let us look at some of the areas where computers are used. At home, computers are used for drawing pictures, typing letters and assignments, paying bills, booking tickets, listen to music and watching movies. Computers are used for storing lists of items and making bills in shops. At schools, computers are used for typing circulars, test papers, preparing timetables, maintaining fee records of students, etc. Computers are also used for teaching in schools. The use of computers has made learning easy and interesting for students. Computers are used for sending and receiving mails, storing records and doing calculations in offices and banks. At railway stations and airports, computers keep track of the details like arrival and departure time and number of seats available in a train or an aeroplane. In hospitals, computers are used for maintaining the records of patients, testing eyes, etc. Various medical tests and preparation of reports are done using computers. Computers are used for designing buildings, aeroplanes, clothes, etc. Computers are very useful for scientific research. They are also used for launching satellites, weather forecasting, etc. कंप्यूटर का उपयोग कहाँ होता है? घर में चित्र बनाना, पत्र और असाइनमेंट टाइप करना, बिल भुगतान करना, टिकट बुक करना, गाने सुनना और फिल्में देखना। दुकानों में आइटम की सूची स्टोर करने और बिल बनाने के लिए। स्कूलों में सर्कुलर, टेस्ट पेपर, टाइम टेबल बनाना, फीस रिकॉर्ड रखना और पढ़ाने के लिए। दफ्तरों व बैंकों में मेल भेजने प्राप्त करने, रिकॉर्ड स्टोर करने और गणना करने के लिए। रेलवे स्टेशन, हवाई अड्डों पर समय और सीट की जानकारी रखने के लिए। अस्पतालों में मरीजों की रिपोर्ट और मेडिकल टेस्ट करने के लिए। डिजाइनिंग में इमारत, हवाई जहाज, कपड़े आदि डिजाइन करने के लिए। वैज्ञानिक क्षेत्रों में उपग्रह लॉन्च, मौसम पूर्वानुमान आदि में। Features of a computer. Computer is not just an ordinary machine. It has many features which make it so special, such as speed. Computer works at a very high speed. It does calculations faster than a human being. Accuracy. Computer always gives accurate results. So, whatever input we give, it gives accurate results. Diligence. Computer is free from tiredness. Unlike human beings, it can work with same efficiency for a long time. Memory. The best thing about a computer is its large memory, where it stores a huge amount of information that can be retrieved quickly and easily when needed. Multitasking. A computer is a multi-purpose machine that performs a variety of tasks and is used in almost all fields. Limitations of a computer. A computer has many limitations. They are: it does not have feelings. It never feels happy, bored or tired. It cannot learn on its own. Its knowledge and working capabilities are limited to the programs installed on it. It cannot take decisions on its own. It works as per the given instructions. It is dependent on us for care. It cannot think. It works on the set of instructions provided to it. कंप्यूटर की सीमाएं, limitations. इसमें भावनाएं नहीं होती। ये खुद से नहीं सीख सकता, खुद से निर्णय नहीं ले सकता, देखभाल के लिए हम पर निर्भर है, ये सोच नहीं सकता। Types of computers. Let us discuss the different types of computers. Microcomputers. These computers are small in size and cost less. They are usually designed for personal use. Therefore, they are also called personal computers or PCs. Examples: Commodore 64, IBM PC. कंप्यूटर के प्रकार, टाइप्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स। माइक्रो कंप्यूटर, छोटे, सस्ते और व्यक्तिगत उपयोग के लिए। उदाहरण: Commodore 64, IBM PC. They are mainly used in homes, schools, offices, shops, banks, etc. Following are the various microcomputers that are given different names according to their usage. Desktop computers. These computers are designed to fit comfortably on the top of desks. Desktop computers typically come with several units, such as monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse, which are connected to each other and work like a single unit. Laptop computers. These computers are small in size and can be placed on the lap. These are battery operated and portable. We can perform all the tasks on it as we do on a desktop. But laptops are more expensive than desktop computers. These computers are mainly used by people who travel a lot. We can fold down the screen of laptop onto the keyboard when not in use. Laptops usually have 13 to 15-inch screen. Tablet computers. These computers are smaller and lighter than laptop computers but bigger than smartphones. Instead of a keyboard and mouse, tablets use touch-sensitive screen for typing and navigation. Tablets have 7-inch, 8-inch or 10-inch screen. Popular uses of tablets include reading e-books, watching movies, viewing photos, browsing net, etc. Palm-top computers. A palm-top computer is a small device that can fit in the palm of your hand. The device has similar features as that of a computer. It has a small screen and compressed keyboard. Some of these computers replace a keyboard or mouse with a pen that serves as the input device. Handheld devices. Devices that are small in size and can be easily held in the hand are called handheld devices. They can be conveniently carried in the pocket. Smartphones and tablet computers are a few examples of handheld devices. The handheld computers are also called personal digital assistants, PDAs. These devices either have a touch-enabled display screen as their input-output interface or a simple display unit with a keyboard. Like a desktop computer, these devices can be used to perform any task. Smartphone. A smartphone is a handheld device that combines features of a personal computer with other common features of a mobile phone. It can be used for making and receiving calls, text messaging, emailing, web browsing, capturing and viewing videos, gaming, and much more. Game console. A game console is a device used to play interactive video games. This device is equipped with a display screen, game controls, joystick, buttons, and speakers. It can also be connected to a television or a computer, and in that case, the user interacts with the game through a handheld controller. Examples of game consoles include Microsoft Xbox, Sony PlayStation, Nintendo GameCube, and Nintendo Wii. Embedded systems. An embedded system is the one that has a computer hardware with software embedded or implanted into a larger device. It comprises of all the essential computer components like CPU, RAM, ROM, input and output medium, but does not have disk drive, keyboard or screen. It is designed to perform a specific task in various devices, for example, TV sets, vehicles, telephones, digital cameras, washing machines, microwaves, printers, dishwashers and medical equipments. Embedded systems are also called microcontrollers. Mini computers. These computers are bigger in size than the microcomputers, typically being the same size as that of a refrigerator. They have a higher processing speed and are costlier than microcomputers. These computers are capable to support about 4 to 200 users simultaneously. They are used in banks, universities, and in other big organizations. Example: PDP-8, HP 2100, Micro-V AX3100. Mainframe computers. These computers are very powerful. They are big in size with a large memory and high speed. They are designed to tackle huge amount of data. More than 100 users can use a mainframe computer simultaneously. These computers are used in networked environment. Mainframe computers are very expensive and are mainly used for bulk data processing in large business organizations, universities, banks, scientific laboratories, airlines and railway ticket reservations, stock exchange markets, etc. Example: IBM Z series, PDP-10 and System Z10. Supercomputers. They're the most powerful computers with a huge processing speed. These computers are used for weather forecasting, space research, satellite control, etc. Example: Cray-1, Cray-2, Param, Tianhe-2, Sunway Thyholite, etc. Computer languages. Language is a medium to express our views and feelings. To communicate with a computer, we need a language that a computer understands. For every action, a computer has to be given instructions accordingly. A program is a set of instructions that tells the computer what to do. The process of writing specific instructions in a computer language is called programming. Each programming language has its own specific rules. The development of programming languages has improved considerably with the ease and ability of programmers to write powerful application programs. The development of computer languages has been classified into the following categories: computer languages, machine language, assembly language, high-level language, fourth generation language. Machine language, first generation. It is the only language that a computer understands. It is expressed in binary form, i.e., O and 1, where 0 means off state and 1 means on state. Machine language has the advantage of very high speed and very low memory utilization. But understanding and learning machine language is a tough and time-consuming process. It is very difficult to write and debug programs written in machine language. It is extremely machine-dependent. That is why machine language is also regarded as low-level language, LLL. A machine language program written on one computer may or may not run on another computer. Because of this, very few people opt for specialization in machine language. Assembly language, second generation. This language uses mnemonic codes or symbols in place of 0 and 1. For example, if the operation code for add is 0010 in binary language, It can be directly written as add in assembly language, as assembly language uses symbolic codes. Hence, it is easy to work in assembly language than in binary language. Assembly language is also machine-dependent like machine language, and programming in this language is quite time-consuming. Thus, it is also regarded as a low-level language, LLL. High-level language, third generation. The restrictions in the usage of machine and assembly languages prompted people to develop a language with the following features. Simple and user-friendly language. Language that is machine-independent. Owing to the above-mentioned features, it became easy to learn and use the computer languages. A large number of people started writing computer programs using these languages. They are also known as high-level languages, HLL. High-level language is quite similar to the English language. COBOL, Fortran, BASIC, C, C++, Java, etc. are some of the very popular examples of high-level languages. Fourth generation language, 4GL. Highly user-friendly and independent of any operating system. Very high speed of execution. Designed to reduce the level of programming efforts. Minimum efforts from the user to obtain any information. Designed to reduce the overall time it takes to develop software and the cost of software development. In 4GL, the user has to specify only the required output they want, while the computer determines the sequence of instructions that will accomplish those results. Structured Query Language, SQL, is the most popular example of 4GL. Language. Features. Machine. Uses binary codes to depict operators and data. Machine-dependent. The only language directly understood by computer. Assembly. Uses mnemonic codes or symbols in place of binary numbers. Has to be converted into machine language by translator programs, assemblers. Machine-dependent. High-level. Uses English words and mathematical operators. Machine-independent. Has to be converted into machine language by translator programs, interpreters and compilers. 4GL. Machine-independent. Minimal user skills required to obtain results. Application development tool. Language processors. Students, you already know that a computer understands only the machine language. Hence, a program written in any other computer language has to be converted into the machine language first. To translate any high-level language program to the machine language, a software is required. This software is called a language processor or a language translator. There are three different types of language translators. Assembler. Translator program that is used to convert the assembly language program into machine language is known as assembler. A program written in assembly language is called object program or object code. Interpreter. This translator program is used to convert a high-level language program into machine language. An interpreter translates line by line, executes the instruction, and then repeats the procedure for the remaining instructions. If any errors are found, they are to be removed immediately. As the converted form is not stored anywhere, so it has to be generated at the time of execution of a program. Interpreter programs are preferred for beginners and are slow in execution speed. Compiler. Compiler is a translator program used to convert a high-level language program into machine language. A compiler translates the whole program at once, i.e., it generates the object code for the program along with the list of errors. The execution speed of a compiler is faster as compared to an interpreter.